for a 4-ton AC unit requiring a minimum of 30.2 amps and a maximum of 40 amps. Number 8 American wire gauge copper conductors are required for the hot wires, and a number 10 American wire gauge copper conductor is required for the ground wire. The disconnect next to the unit is required to be fused. The National Electrical Code requires overcurrent protection on the line side of any disconnect. The downstream breaker in the panel is not sufficient protection for the disconnect. The fuse rating for the disconnect should be 30 amps. This is because the minimum protection required for the AC unit is 30.2 amps, and the NEC requires fuses to be rated not more than 150% of the load they are protecting. A ground fault circuit interrupter is not required near the unit. Ground fault circuit interrupters are required for outdoor outlets and other locations where there is a risk of electric shock, but they are not required for hardwired appliances like AC units. To summarize the circuit requirements, firstly, you will need number 8 American wire gauge copper conductors for hot wires. Secondly, a number 10 American wire gauge copper conductor for the ground wire. Thirdly, liquid-tight flexible metal conduit from the disconnect to the unit. Fourthly, a 40 amp disconnect with a 30 amp fuse. And fifthly, no ground fault circuit interrupter is required.